Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Raza with very first episode of Toheed series English. This is a short video series in which we shall try to explain one ayah or one hadith that is related to Toheed and uniqueness of Allah Almighty. So we shall start with a hadith from Sahih Al Bukhari, hadith 7373. Narrated Muaz bin Jabal, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Muaz, do you know what Allah's right upon His slaves is?" I said, "Allah and His apostle know best." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "To worship Him alone and to join none in worship with Him. Do you know what their rights upon Him is?" Allah and His apostle know best. I said. The Prophet said, "Not to punish them if they do so." Here Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told that Allah Almighty never punish those people who worship Allah alone, because the main criteria to get reward and never to get punished is accepting Toheed, and Allah's apostle said that if we do so, it's our right not to be get punished by Allah Almighty. And it's a common sentence that we hear that Allah Almighty can forgive all the sins and all the mistakes except joining someone in worship with Allah Almighty. Either something from the creature of Allah or a piece of stone, whatever that is, joining that thing with Allah Almighty in His worship is called shirk, and that is a sin Allah never forgive. May Allah help us to understand and practice the true Islam. Ameen.